GATE ECE 2025. Which of the following can be used as N-type dopant for silicon? Select the correct options. 4 options are given like arsenic, boron, gallium and phosphorus. We need to identify the correct options among the given 4. Let us start with arsenic. Whenever we want to identify whether a given element is suitable for N-type dopant, then it should be a pentavalent element. Pentavalent element means an atom which is having 5 valence electrons. So here, if we check with atomic number of arsenic, it is 33. So splitting the 33 electrons into various orbits, the kth orbit is having 2 electrons. Then the lth orbit is having 8 electrons, followed by the mth orbit is having 18 electrons. So 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 18, 28. So out of 33, 28 electrons are lying in K, L and M orbits. And remaining 5 electrons lying in the nth orbit. Because we have 5 electrons in the nth orbit, then we consider that arsenic is a pentavalent element. So arsenic can be used as an N-type dopant. Now let us check with option B. Boron, which is having atomic number of 5. Out of 5 electrons, 2 electrons are lying in the kth shell or kth band. And the remaining 3 electrons are lying in the lth shell. So out of 5, 2 electrons in the kth shell and 3 in the L shell. So we can say that only 3 electrons are there in the outermost orbit. So it is a trivalent impurity, not a pentavalent impurity. So boron cannot be used as a N-type dopant, whereas it can be used as a P-type dopant, where trivalent elements are preferred. So option B is incorrect. Let us check with option C, gallium. Gallium atomic number is 31. These 31 electrons are distributed in this fashion. 2 electrons in the kth orbit, 8 electrons in the lth orbit, and 18 in mth orbit, and the remaining 3 electrons in the nth orbit. Because the outermost orbit, the last orbit, contains 3 electrons, it is a trivalent impurity or trivalent element, but not a pentavalent element. So gallium cannot be used for N-type dopant, whereas it can be used for P-type dopant. Now coming to option D, phosphorus, which has atomic number of 15. These 15 electrons are divided as 2 electrons in the first shell and 8 electrons in the next shell, remaining 5 electrons in the third shell called mth shell. Because the outermost orbit is having 5 electrons, then this is a pentavalent element. So phosphorus can be used as an N-type dopant. So among the 4 options given, option A, arsenic, and option D, phosphorus, are correct.